Hello audience, this is Naim. Welcome to Solan Group. Let me show you our photos of the clients who visited our factory. Let me show you our certificates, our CE certificates, our ISO certificates. We also have compliance certificates. Let me show you our industrial soundproof curtains. The one we use, it is the thickness is different. This is the normal one, this is the one we use, which is the, you see the difference by the thickness. Here is our pressure gauge, which is with a 2 screw, which is stable and strong, but the other one with the glue, which is not so good for the machine. This is the pressure sensor, the one we use, which is very strong, you can see from here, and this is the cheaper one, which is not so good. This is the temperature sensor, which one we use, which is very long and strong, and this is the other one, which is not so good. This is the separator, which one we use, which is from Germany, and it is two-stage system. This is the air filter, which one we use. Our one is very smooth and strong, the other one which is not so good. These are the oil filter we use. The size is based on the machine power in kilowatt. This is the coupling which is used to connect air end and the motor. We use this function which is safe, and the other use this which is not safe. So for the safety concern, we use this one. These are the controller we use for the machine, and we use MM880 for some kilowatt, and we also use MM6080, which is touch screen. Also, now we have the options to customize to the logo. We can use our client's logo as well. For our machine, we use this MPV. MPV is the minimum pressure valve, and some company they use this small one, which is not so good.